In this video, we will show you how to add multiple photos to Instagram story. In here, when you are using Instagram account and you want to creating a story by clicking the plus button here and select story. After you select story, usually Instagram with the default layout can only take one picture like this. Okay, and you can create multiple photos by clicking this icon, okay, or this frame or this layout, whatever you call. Then you can click this frame again, and for example, I just want to take two pictures. For example, I'm using this frame or this layout. Okay, this is the first picture. This is just for example. And after that, the first picture is done. We need to take the second picture, for example, like this. After you done, you can just click this button again. Now you have multiple photos on your Instagram. To send a story, you can just click this button for the last step. Now you can select your story options to post your picture as your story on Instagram account. Hope this is very helpful for you.